is highly conflicted by the Community Improvement Districts Bill 2025. Libertarians are suspicious of powerful centralised governments that boss around from a remote distance. We believe in decentralisation. We believe in transferring power as much as possible to the local level. This bill seeks to empower the local level, so it does get a libertarian tick on that front. The bill also seeks to encourage the growth of local small businesses and big businesses, so it gets another tick on that front. I understand that similar models have been trialled in similar jurisdictions around the world, quite with some success, with local businesses collaborating for various reasons on general improvements in the local area. All good. The concern we have, however, is that this levy is a tax, a business tax. Yes, it will start off small, but taxes are like cancers that they tend to grow. The bill requires 65% of local businesses to agree on the creation of a community investment district and contribute a levy, a compulsory levy. But who would be the 35% who might oppose? It could be, for example, a brand new business with no cash flow and nothing but a good idea and a tiny amount of capital. They're not going to want to contribute. It could be a more established business who has had a bad patch and is in danger of closure and bankruptcy. They will want to preserve every dollar they can. This bill will force them to make a contribution. It could also be a business that gets zero benefit from the fund but still has to contribute. Now, I accept that there are parts of the bill that seek to redress these concerns, but the small business owner will have to go to the bother of proving that they should be exempt. Small business owners never stop thinking about the business. Public servants might knock off at about 4:30 in the afternoon, and employees in the private sector, when they clock off, are thinking about their family or the footy or whatever. But the small business owner never stops thinking about the business. Even when they're asleep, Madam Acting President, they dream about the business. It's all consuming, so we do not want to impose more paperwork, more taxes and more distractions. The history of taxes and bureaucracies is that they grow and become onerous with time. So the Libertarian Party loves the idea of local businesses who know the local nuances and who come together voluntarily to cooperate and do good things of substance for their collective commercial interests and the community in general. We support the fundamental concept. If it was voluntary, we'd support it, but then we wouldn't need the legislation and the state power to enforce it. So we oppose coercion, taxes and a nascent bureaucracy that will all grow. We oppose the bill.